Hey guys, how's it going? Now, a lot of you guys have been asking us how do you transfer data, basically WhatsApp data, from your Android to your iOS device or vice versa. See, Android uses Google Drive, which is good enough, and iOS or iPhone uses your iCloud, which again is great. The problem lies in the fact that these two services do not communicate well with one another. So, transferring data from Android to Android is fine, iOS to iOS is fine, but between these two, it gets quite confusing and mostly impossible for a lot of you guys. Don't worry, I have a great solution. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and today I'll show you how you can easily backup and restore your WhatsApp data from your Android to your iPhone or from your iPhone to your Android easily in just a few steps. Let's get started. Okay, so let's understand the base problem here. See, both Android and iPhone uses their own sort of encryption formats that are very different from one another. And basically, you cannot just copy and paste your backup data from one smartphone to another. And that is where the Wondershare Mobile Trans comes in. Basically, with the help of this software, you can easily transfer all of your WhatsApp data, or not just WhatsApp, even Line, Cake, Telegram, any data easily from one smartphone to another. Now the process here is very simple. First up, just download the software, which is available for both Windows and macOS. Now when you launch it, you'll find multiple options. There's a backup and restore option here as well, using which you can back up your data first and then restore it later. However, if you want to just transfer your data, then select the transfer option. And for this video, we'll be obviously using the transfer version. Now to do that, first connect both your Android and iOS devices to your PC. Now for Android, you'll have to enable USB debugging. For iOS devices, if your computer is a macOS device, then it's not going to be a big hassle. But for Windows, you'll have to install iTunes. Now one thing that you have to ensure here is that iTunes should just be installed basically because you need those iOS drivers on your PC, but iTunes should not be running in the background. If it's running, then your Wondershare app will not be able to properly detect your smartphone connected. So ensure that just the software installed, but it's not running in the background. Once both your smartphones are connected, you'll now see a source phone and a destination phone. Obviously, you can flip them as well as per your requirement. As you can see, all your data, including your messages, groups, photos, videos, and documents will be transferred. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that your destination phone should have a fresh install of WhatsApp. Basically, there should be no pre-existing WhatsApp data. Now, once you've done that, just click on Start. Of course, based on the amount of data, it will take some time. First, it will read the data from the source phone, decrypt it, and then start transferring to the destination phone. Now, the Wondershare Mobile Trans software is available for both Windows and macOS. In fact, for our lovely GT subscribers, we are also giving a discount code for you guys. Now another big advantage to using Mobile Trans instead of using some other application is that all your data is transferred from one phone to another without using cloud. See, cloud, while it's good, obviously does have its disadvantages, and the encryption over there is not that strong, as you might have seen in the news quite a lot often. Like, I won't get into the depths of it, but the reality is that better than transferring data over the cloud, it's obviously going to be better transferring it offline. And that's where the Mobile Trans really shines. I mean, all your data is seamlessly transferred from your Android to your iOS or from your iOS to your Android device, just offline. No data is being uploaded to any cloud server whatsoever. So yeah, that basically means that even your WhatsApp data is protected, your privacy is ensured, and that is a very, very big factor, especially in these times. And well, that was it. Like I said, you can find the download link to both Windows and macOS versions of the Wondershare Mobile Trans in the description box. Also, if you have any queries or doubts related to the software, make sure to sound off in the comments below and we'll help you guys out. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.